Welcome to this video on how to install the Sonoff Mini Door 2-gang Zigbee smart switch. Before anything, please make sure the power is turned off for safety. First, loosen the screws on both the device and the switch. Identify the wires in the wall box. Check the wiring diagrams. Follow along with the video to connect the wires correctly and make sure all the screws are tightened securely. Turn the power back on. Open the eWeLink app on your phone. Tap the plus icon, select Add Device. Connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and add your Zigbee gateway. Return to the home page, tap the plus icon and select Scan. Scan the QR code on the back of the device, then follow the on-screen instructions. If needed, press and hold the front button of the device for about 5 seconds until the indicator light flashes slowly. This means it's in pairing mode. Continue following the app steps to connect with the Zigbee gateway and complete the pairing process. Turn the power off again. Carefully place both the device and your wall switch back into the wall box. Then turn the power back on. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your new smart switch.